Alright, now we are here at the product testing room where they stress test the new bags and see how they perform in durability or long-term tests. And now Roy will take us through all the machines. Alright, can you just walk me through the machines, what they're doing? So let's start with the trolley machine.
So this is the trolley machine, and basically it tests the durability of the trolley rolls. It's actually testing how long that this wheel withstand until it breaks. We'll do multiple iterations until we see when the wheel breaks. Now this is the machine that tests the handles.
Okay.
So basically, this machines throw the bag downwards and then see how long the handles withstand the force.
Okay.
So they'll do multiple iterations to check the durability for the handles.
I see.
So this is the shoulder strap tester.
Okay.
So basically, you put everyday carry weight. So usually we put 10 kilos.
Okay. So that's what you consider everyday carry weight,
yes.
10 kilos.
So we just put 10 kilos, but some clients or some brands require higher amount of everyday carry.
Yeah.
Let's say you're doing mountain gear bags and you want to put like 20 kilos.
Makes sense, yeah.
This machine will basically go up and down and see how long that this bag withstands the ride. Now for all of these machines, we do basic tests for all of the products we have. It translates to real-time performance for 4 to 5 years.
All these testings, all these machines are being used once you have the first prototype, chosen all the fabrics, you make the prototype, and then you go to this testing room and basically check out, okay, does everything work according to plan, right? Before you go into production.
Yes, that's correct. So once you made your own samples, the actual prototype you want to produce, you'll come here and you'll test, make sure everything's right, it's not falling apart, the wheels are correct.
Okay. This is electronic fabric strength tester.
Yes.
So you just put the fabric in between here and then it pulls.
It'll pull and you'll see the breaking strength and also the tear strength.
Okay. Okay, this isn't really a part of the quality of the stress test, but it's still a test because this is the X-ray machine for the needle test that Roy explained previously. Walk me through a little bit what's going on or why you would use this X-ray machine.
So basically this X-ray machine is checking needles or any kind of materials or broken materials that went into the bag.
Okay.
And definitely you don't want to have those when you receive the bags.
Obviously, yeah.
Basically, it's quite straightforward. It's actually exactly like the airport X-ray machines. You put the bags inside here, and it'll check any kind of extra metals other than the zippers and the zipper pullers. But we'll try to find like small bits of broken metals or needles that went in. And if that happens, that bag will be thrown out.
That's really cool that you have something like this here. All right, thank you so much for showing me all these testing machines. Thank you very much for watching another episode of this short documentary about how bags are being made. If you have some more questions, comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you won't miss next videos. Thank you very much.